How are you people doing? Today we're going to see a very interesting story from the Dhammapada or the Tipitaka. It so happened that the Buddha's reputation was growing leaps and bounds. People used to come from far and wide to listen to his Dhamma talks. So people from the other beliefs were very jealous of him and they wanted to somehow tarnish his reputation. So they hatched a plot, and among them there was a pupil by the name of Chincha Manavika, who was very beautiful. So they decided to use her to somehow tarnish the reputation of the Buddha. So she came to the Buddha's monastery somewhere in the evening with lots of flowers. So everybody in the village asked her, "Where are you going?" So she said, "Where would I be going? I'm going to the monastery, to Gautama." And people saw her the next day, early in the morning. So they asked her, where were you the whole night? So she said, "I spent the whole night with Gautama, the Samana." So people were shocked by the way that she said. After a few months, she tied a wooden plank to her body and added some clothes, and then she showed to others, or tried to show to others, that she was pregnant. And then she would act very tired. And one day, with all those things around her stomach showing that she was pregnant, she came to the monastery where the Buddha was giving a Dhamma discourse. And then she started abusing the Buddha, and she said, "I'm now pregnant, you only preach to others, yet you do nothing for me, and you only have to enjoy yourself." So then the Buddha just looked at her, he stopped preaching, and then he told her, "Sister, only you and me know what is the truth." And she did not say anything. Sakka, the king of gods, saw the whole episode, and he sent 4 devas in the form of rats, and they came and they removed the wooden plank from her stomach, and everybody saw that the bundle of cloth and the wooden plank, everything came down, and they all started abusing her. Some started spitting at her, and they all made her run away. And after she went for a little distance, it said that the earth opened up and she went beneath it. Then the Buddha said in Pali the following verse: "Ekam dhammam atthitassa musavadissa jantino vitina paralokassa nati papamakaryam." For one who transgresses the truth and is given to lying, who is always lying and who is unconcerned with the life hereafter, there is no evil that he dare not do. So he keeps on doing any evils. So this can be compared even to the present day times. We keep on telling lies for so many reasons without understanding the implications of it. So we have to follow the footsteps of the Buddha and try to follow the Dhamma. May all beings be happy.